Hello everyone, my name is Zanisha Hawkins, and today I will be going over how to apply your Siberian mink eyelashes. We are going to be going according to the Siberian mink instructions that you will receive upon purchase. So let's get started. The first step is called in the nest. This is just demonstrating the items that you need in order to apply your lashes. You want to have number one, your lashes from Pink Feather, and they'll come in a case like this. You want to have a spoolie with no product on it, tweezers, your favorite lash glue, and small scissors. So for the perfect fit of your lashes, you want to make sure that you measure your lashes to the fit of your eye. In order to do that, you're going to take your tweezers and remove them from the container. And you're going to place your lashes on as if you were applying it with glue. And this is just so that you can see how much you need to remove. So by taking that mental note and marking where it starts to go down or past my lash line, about right here, I'm just gonna pinch it right there and remove it. I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm going to snip right where my finger is. Now on the other side, there's just that little tiny piece right here, that little piece right there that I want to remove. So I'm just going to snip that. And the first lash is done. Now you're just going to repeat the same steps with the other one. The next thing that you want to do is prep your natural lashes. And you can do this by taking a spoolie and your mirror and gently combing through your natural lashes. Now, ladies, you want to prepare for takeoff. And this is simply when you apply your glue to your lashes. So you're going to take your favorite glue. I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Wand Glue. And I'm going to apply it to my band. You want to be sure to apply a little bit of extra glue on the end because this is where it tends to lift. And you're going to wait for 10 to 60 seconds for it to become tacky and ready for application. Okay, it's been about 10 to 60 seconds, and as you can see, our lash glue is starting to change colors and it is tacky at this point and ready to apply. So we're going to move on to the next step, which is let's lash. This is when you're going to take your mirror, place it underneath your chin, take your eyelashes, and you're going to look down and place your eyelashes on the middle of your eye first. You're going to secure the middle portion first, and then you're going to adjust the outer and the inner portion next. And now you are ready to show off your lashes and take on the world. So check out Pink Siberian on Facebook and Instagram and take a picture of you and your lovely new lashes. I can't wait to see you and like your pics. All right, ladies, bye.